All right, guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video, guys, we are going to be talking about the layer edge proof of humanity. All right, so coming over here to the layer edge, you can see that all the node that we have been running, all of them has stopped right now. And right now you can see the total edge that you have earned. Edge is actually the point that we are earning. You can see this is the total that we have earned right here. And of course, there's actually this new update called proof of humanity. All right, so right now when you come over here right now to their Twitter account, let me show you something real quick. All right, so coming over here right now to the Layeredge Twitter account, you can see that just yesterday they made the announcement saying that they are going to be rolling out the proof of humanity feature. But there's actually a funny thing that is happening right there, okay? But I will be showing you right now on this video. Okay, there's one funny thing that is currently going on right here. So this was where they made the post saying that the dashboard is undergoing an update today as we prepare for the next step, like proof of humanity in our road to mainnet. All right, so they said turn on your notification, more info dropping soon. So as you all know that on this channel I try to expose everything so that we all can understand it. All right, so on this video, guys, there's something that is going on, but I'm going to be exposing it right here. But after watching it, or after I tell you what's going on, let me know what you think right there on the comment section. All right, so before we proceed the video properly, please kindly do well to look below the video you are watching right now. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video you are watching right now. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. Also, do not leave without turning on that notification bell so that when I post new video you will receive notification immediately. So that part is gone. Let's now come back to our airdrop that we are talking about. So over here, guys, they made this announcement yesterday, being the 1st of April, and over here, guys, on this announcement they say that they are rolling out this this proof of humanity as a way to differentiate between real human and of course our robot. All right, but the truth right here is that Layeredge is not supposed to take this step, and I will tell you guys my reason right now. So, and that my reason is that coming over here to the Layeredge airdrop, we have actually been through a lot. Okay, we have been through a lot, and that thing, the reason why I'm telling you guys that they are not supposed to take this approach is because it is not like I know anything about running a project or something like that, but at least we all are human beings and sometimes we can interpret some things. Okay, so when we started this Layeredge airdrop, so a lot of us came in early enough and some of us didn't came in early, and right here, guys, along the line we were asked to actually buy NFT or mint NFT. So coming over here right now to mint NFT, let me show you something right here real quick. All right, so over here right now you can see that we have the free NFT right here. We have the free NFT right here, which you need to mint on the base network. And over here we have the OG NFT. So over here, guys, on the OG NFT, we actually minted this NFT with a cost of, maybe I can't remember clearly, but I think it is $5 or thereabouts. Okay, so we minted this NFT with $5. That thing enough. I mean, using this NFT that was minted here is enough reason to describe if someone is a real human or not. All right, so but assuming that the NFT that we minted is not enough reason to prove that we are human, when you come over here to tasks, assuming that this NFT is not enough reason to prove that we are, we also went ahead to actually buy the CLI node. We went ahead to buy the CLI node, which was what we ran right here. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so before we started mining right here on the CLI base node, we actually made a purchase which is around $5 again. So if you check properly, about a minimum of $10 has actually followed this two processes, and that is just, we are trying to make sure that we qualify for the airdrop, right? And right now they are actually bringing out a new feature right here, which is of course proof of humanity. So what do you think about this proof of humanity? And to identify if someone is a real human or not, those two processes that we have taken already is enough to identify if someone is a human or not. But like I said, I don't know much about running a project, so they might have their own reason why they are talking about this proof of humanity. Though the process of proving that you are humanity is not yet live, meaning it has not gone live yet, but they have just given us a kind of a warning that this is what they are about to do. And trying to prove that you are humanity, nobody really knows if it is going to come with a cost. But as we have been participating in some other airdrop, proving that you are humanity, it usually come with a cost. But so it come with a cost, all right? So, and if you check out right here that they made this post right here, coming over here to the comment section, a lot of people are saying a lot, and what they are saying is not actually bad. They are saying the truth. But this is not enough reason for us to say that this project is a scam. So coming down right here to the comment section, you can see that this guy right here, Bobby, say that once you see this is once you see this, scam is coming. Proving that humanity is definitely going to be coming with a cost. Nobody really know, but it's definitely going to be coming with a cost, meaning that you need to pay certain gas fee, you need to do one or two things that just to prove that you're a human. And that is not right, because we have already made two purchases or two payments just on this airdrop, and that has actually cost us about $10. Most of the node-based airdrop that we have going through or we have been participating on has been doing well. For example, Grass and Node Pay, and which other one again, I can't remember, but they have been doing well. But nobody knows the actual agenda of Layeredge. So, but if you come over here to the comment section, you can see that a lot of people are saying a lot. This guy right here saying you are trying to make community again. Okay, so right here, guys, a lot of people are saying a lot of things right here, and they are it is just the pure fact right here, but nobody knows. Okay, so at this point, guys, let me know what you think about this new update that is coming right here concerning the Layeredge new developments, which is the proof of humanity. Do you think this is what we are? Do you think we are going to make payment for this, or do you think this is something that you are going to be doing? But personally, I know a lot of people out there are going to be doing it. Definitely a lot of people out there are going to be doing this. If they say that, yeah, this is what we are going to be doing, we are going to be doing it. This doesn't mean that they are scam, right? We need to simply hold on and see what they are up to. If finally they say that, yeah, we are to pay certain gas fee or make some certain payments just to get their airdrop, then I think we should think twice about this whole thing, all right? Because nobody really knows. When Notcoin paid the community massively, nobody know that some other project that is going to be coming after that is going to turn out to be scam. But definitely this proof of humanity is what's going to be qualifying you for the airdrop, because definitely people that are not human are not going to be getting any airdrop, right? So if you think this is something that you cannot do, then I think you should step aside, because this could finally turn out to be scam for real, but it can also turn out to be a very good project that will reward the community handsomely. All right, so let me know what you think about this on the comment section. Do you think that this is becoming a scam project already? But for me, I will not call them a scam project, because yeah, some airdrop do take charges for their airdrop, and at the end they will just give the community what will leave them smiling. All right, so let me know what you think about this new development right here, and let me hear from you from the comment section. Let's interact right there. But this is the current update concerning the Layeredge airdrop. All right, so thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Remember, more updates are coming your way. Thank you, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.